What is going on out there, guys? Happy Sunday. And in this video, we're going to be talking about that big GameStop stock split. If you didn't already know, there was a 4-1 stock split at the end of the week last week. And so basically what that means, if you're not familiar with what a stock split is, it basically means that if you own one share of GameStop, then for that one share, then when the stock splits, it was a 4-1 split, you will receive an additional 3 shares for that one share. So what that does, it makes one share of GameStop a lot more affordable to the retail investor, to the common folk, the common man. And this happened, like I said, it happened on the 22nd of July. So now, if you look here, instead of the stock being worth like it was like $130 something a share, it is now worth $35.78. So yeah, that happened. That took place. And you can, you feel free to research this yourself. There's plenty of news about this out this weekend. So what I'm doing is, I'm just kind of keeping an eye on it. And I have not, I didn't buy any shares before it split. A lot of people did. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this. But here's the thing. Not only does it make it more affordable, just for buying shares, but it also makes it a lot cheaper for you option traders out there. Now, I don't trade options, but for you guys that do trade options, it will make buying and selling option contracts a lot cheaper as well. So it's a win-win situation for them, for GameStop, and for investors. So like I said, this is a meme stock, as well as AMC. Those are 2 meme stocks, and so they have a cult-like following, but they are very volatile stocks. And if you look at the activity on Friday, it did experience a 6% decline. And then over the past week, not much movement. It traded sideways, probably because of the looming split. And over the last month, overall, it saw a 5% gain. So there you go. That's and I won't keep this video very long, but that's what I wanted to share with y'all about GameStop. Now let's look at AMC real quick. Now I do have that is one of the stocks I'm invested in at the moment, swing trading. Now I'm kind of just getting into that swing trade. I have not heavily invested in that yet, but let's take a look at what it's been doing. It's down 8% as of Friday for that day, and then as of the past week, it traded sideways down 0.3%. But over the past month, AMC actually is on a somewhat bullish run of 22%, a 22% gain on the month. However, if you look at the past year, it is down 61%, which, just like a lot of other stocks, it's experiencing this bear market that we're in. So it still has a long way to recover, but it's still very volatile. It's still, in my opinion, a stock to keep an eye on and to also buy the dip on. In saying that, this is not financial advice. I would never suggest you buy, hold, or sell any stock. Do your own research before investing in the stock market. All right. So yeah, AMC, definitely there's a lot going on with it. And I will actually be making more content focused on that on AMC. And I will also give you my plays for this coming week. I may actually do that between now and tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you have that subscription bell or that subscription icon clicked on, so you stay in tune with what I'm putting out there. And also leave some comments if you have any questions, or you want to share your experiences with myself or the people that follow me. Please feel free to do that, and I will try my best to read all comments and respond to as many as I possibly can. I greatly appreciate it. And y'all always remember, wealth is transferred from the impatient to the patient. Y'all have a good day.